Present indefinite tense. We have done all the present indefinite tenses but accidentally skipped this present indefinite tense. So today we are going to do its definition, example and practice. And this is also included in your assessment. So please listen carefully. Present indefinite tense is used when we use to describe our daily routines, the things which are true, universal facts, and when we are describing a thing, the things which are happening right now, or the things you are doing in a regular routine is described in present indefinite tense. So the definition is, it is used to describe action that is either happening right now or that happens regularly. Example is, Sarah writes excellent articles. Sarah does not write excellent articles. Does Sarah write excellent articles? You can look at the main verbs. Write is the main verb and we are writing writes here. So in the present indefinite tense, when we use first form of verb with the singular pronouns she, he, it, and the nouns, we are using the things which are singular. We are using s or es with the main verbs. So when we are making these type of words in negative, we add does not in the negative sentence and we use does in the start of a interrogative sentence. Present indefinite tense rules. In number 1 sentence, in Urdu sentence ends with ता है, ती है, ते है. Like मैं खाना खाता हूँ, मैं सबक पढ़ता हूँ, मैं नमाज पढ़ता हूँ. These are all present indefinite tense in Urdu. Use of first form of verb. When we are going to translate the sentence into English, we are going to use first form of verb. With singular pronouns, we are going to add s or es with the main verb. And in negative sentence, we are going to use does not and do not. In interrogative sentence, does or do comes in the start and we add question mark in the end. Translate the following in English. I have written 5 sentences and I have written the word bank for you. तुलबा वक्त ज़ाया करते हैं. तुलबा are the students. वक्त means time, ज़ाया waste. लकड़ी पानी में नहीं डूबती है. लकड़ी is wood, पानी is water, डूबती sink. हम हर रोज़ अखबार पढ़ते हैं. हम we हर रोज़ डेली अखबार न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते read. मेहनती तुलबा इनाम पाते हैं. मेहनती means hard working or तुलबा students, इनाम gift or prizes. पाते you can write get also and you can write achieve also. Number 5, क्या मैं पानी में तैरना जानता हूँ? It's a question and पानी is water. You can write sea, lake, water, anything. जानना की English is know and तैरना is swim. So let's try to do the translation. I have written the answers for you. Now let's take a look on them. Students waste their time. Woods does not sink in the water. We read the newspaper daily. Hard-working students get prizes. Do I know how to swim?